Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be focusing on why associations and non-profit really need to care about their websites and making sure their websites are truly accessible. What can happen if you don't understand the basics, and also you can get some help from the American government to make your website truly accessible. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So you need to know about the basics of accessibility, the American Disability Act, the ADA. How can you make your website accessible? What could happen if you don't? And you can get some help from the American government in making your website much more accessible. Now, if you're an association or a non-profit, you don't do some fundamental basic things to make your website accessible, you can end up getting a letter from certain specialist law practices that say they're going to sue you because your website isn't accessible. To deal with this problem at that stage is not only expensive, time-consuming, and very frustrating. Some basic pre-action, you can avoid all this, and you're doing the right thing anyway, because really in 2024, if you make your website more accessible, it normally means that it will be faster to load, and the code and the SEO, search engine optimization, will be a lot better anyway. So there's a host of other benefits to this. Now, the other factor is that you can get financial help from the American government. What it is, it's a tax rebate. Basically, you up to $5,000, you fill in the form, you give some basic information about the things you've done. It's not that difficult. There's an article I've written that goes into this in a lot more detail. You'll find the link in the video description, and it will go through the whole process and give you links to the online forms that you've got to fill in or download. And basically, you've got to give them some information about the process that you went through to make your association or non-profit website more accessible. And Bob's your uncle. You then will get a $5,000 tax credit. And that's pretty useful, isn't it, folks? So that you also, after you've done the work on the website, it's not a one-off process. You do need to keep the website up to a standard, and you do need some documentation to show that you've done your best to keep the website accessible. This will keep away these lawyers that will want to try and sue you, and it's the best defense in keeping them at bay, basically. If you're using WordPress and other SaaS website building solutions out there are third-party plugin add-ons and other services, but they only can help to a certain degree, and it's very unlikely they will give you the protection you really need for your association non-profit. I'm going to end it there because I don't want this video to be War and Peace. Like I say, I've got an extensive article that goes into this in a great deal of detail. You find the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, and hopefully you did, give us a thumbs up. and subscribe to the channel. I'm always making content that's really useful for associations, non-profits, building your website and helping your membership, and also getting more donations. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.